Hello everyone and welcome to a new Notion tutorial. Today I'll show you how to share your Notion pages on the web with just a few clicks. So without further ado, all we have to do is select the Notion page that we'd like to share and then go to the top right corner, click on the share and publish blue button. After that, you can choose whether you'd like to enable the duplicate as template button. You will allow other people to duplicate your page as a template. Also, if you have a premium Notion subscription, you can choose an expiration date for your link. Also, you can toggle off or on the search engine indexing, meaning that other people can find your Notion page with a Google search on the internet. Alright, finally, all we have to do is copy the site link and then you can share it anywhere via email, social media, or however you like. We can paste this link in our browser to verify that our Notion page or workspace have been successfully published on the internet. So that's it. You have successfully shared your Notion page on the web. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.